Suspicion is a classic from 1941. It's an intriguing Hitchcock mystery that had me hooked but also scratching my head a bit. Cary Grant and Joan Fontaine lead this stylish thriller with charm, and there are some cool moments like the milk scene. Fontaine even took home an Oscar for her role. Incredibly, this was the only Academy Award-winning acting performance to have been directed by Alfred Hitchcock. But my biggest issue with the film was the romance. It just didn't feel believable. One minute it's nice to meet you, the next it's I love you, and he's calling her monkey face. It was really weird. It felt awkward. While the suspense is solid and the cinematography shines, the ending stumbles. It builds to a dramatic confrontation in the car, only to fizzle into a never mind, everything's fine moment. Hitchcock had a darker, more compelling ending in mind, more in line with the book, but the studio played it safe to protect Cary Grant's image. If you're into classics, check this one out. I'm giving it an 80 out of 100.